Here I will show you how to download YouTube for Mac. I am using Mac with M2 chip. So let's go open the browser, type the YouTube in the Google and then drag this URL to the desktop. Minimize the window. So here you will see a YouTube URL with @sign. Again you can go back to the browser. Then over here search for YouTube logo transparent and you can find a logo. Right click and save image as. So I will save it on the desktop with the YouTube logo. Save. Now minimize the window. Now click on the URL and go to the info. Select your downloaded logo and drag it to the info page and then simply close it. So now you can see the logo. Now you can see that URL has changed with a logo of YouTube. Double click on it and then this way you can download YouTube on your MacBook. I hope through this video you learn how to download YouTube on Mac. Do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos.